I'm sitting on a rock in front of Johnny Candlestick's house, out on the shore path going towards the eastern point. Johnny Candlestick lived on the common grounds, which means common land belonging to us, because we're all commoners as far as I know. When Richard Milbury consolidated all the grants from the short sands at York Harbor to the point of the nose of the Roaring Rock, he mentions that his seaward boundary is a thin strip of common land. Nowhere around here does any private property abut the ocean. I'll tell the reason why at our lectures June 6th, York Beach Fireman's Hall, on why the town of York is so fortunate to own all of its shorefront. It's an unbelievable, unbelievable jewel, and we'll explain why. Thank you. What a gorgeous day, huh?